Hi everyone! Finally, after 7 months of waiting, unboxing time on my custom forged carbon wheels for my 2025 BMW R12 90. Let's go! Wow. Roto box. Okay. Aiming to the future. The moment of truth. Okay. Yeah. Ta-da! This is the front. Okay, let's remove the box. Wow. Light as a feather. Okay. I custom made with red accent, red hub with chrome sticker. I believe this is sticker, and they clear coat it together with the rims because it's so smooth. My valve stem is red also, because the frame, to match my frame, red on red. Then when the wheels turn, for the accent red. Okay, let's check the weight on this one. This is the front. Okay. 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 3.1 kilo. Wow. Okay. We'll go with the next wheels. So this is the back. Wow. Okay. See the back. Okay, let's open. Wow. Okay. I'm speechless on the product. Very, very nice. Red on the frame. Chrome on aluminum to match. Perfect. Hub is red also. Let's see how many kilo is this. Wow, 2.5 kilo only. best of the best for me. We're going to install a 200 star size on the rear because the stock is only 180. We'll make it more wider. And also, we're going to install full titanium exhaust system on this unit and the top of the line all-in suspension, and of course carbon fiber parts from Italy on this unit. Only the best of the best. We'll do more videos after we install everything. Stay tuned, always here at PRS. See you here, guys. Stock is boring. Bye.